everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Urban Jardinera, where we talk about plants and sustainable ideas at home in the garden. My name is Ding and I'm your Jardinero from Cebu, and I know guys, it has been a while since I last uploaded a video and I'm so sorry about it. I've been working on some personal projects and I got overwhelmed with the workload, and I was also trying to get a new camera set up, so as you can see, our video quality now is much better compared to our previous uploads, and I'm so hyped about it, so watch out for our future videos. I also have to say a very big thank you guys to all of you who really reach out to us on our socials, our Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. It's a yeah, so here in YouTube, asking for some updates, checking when will be our next video, and just, you know, generally checking on us, and that is really something. That means something to us because na-feel ninyo ang among absence, guys, and I'm so happy nga mingawon po day mo na mo. Pero gimingaw jimi ninyo, promise, gimingaw ko ninyo, gimingaw ko magchika-chika through our vlog. So, well, anyway, in this video, I'm going to share with you our unboxing, the latest plants, batch of plants that we have in the garden. I will be also flexing who is my supplier this time. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button at the bottom and that notification bell button so you will be notified every time we upload a video. Magsugod na ta. Flex na to atong Donya Aurora nga hapit na malata. Okay guys, so for this batch of plants, I got this from RKB Greens Blooms, and they are based in General Santos City. So if you are near the area, you might want to check their garden out because they do have a lot of great range of common to premium plants. And promise guys, very affordable rigid guys. That's why I was able to afford connecting flight from General Santos City to Manila and then to Lapu-Lapu City or to Cebu City. Now, I will be linking their Facebook page in the description below, so you can like their page and check their live selling. They do lives multiple times a week, so pagbantay-bantay mo kay daghan siya mga brato nga mga plants. Si Sir Ryan, hi Sir Ryan and team. Si Sir Ryan Raconela, wala ko kailan ni Uncle. Promotan ako sa name ni Uncle. By the way, these two boxes here, kanina sa ngit-ngit nga dampit sa akong camera, I paid 2,600 for these two boxes. So for the connecting flight. So just for you to have an idea how much will cost you to get them air cargoed, get them delivered here in Cebu if you are in Cebu. Okay, so muna siya akong first plant. This is a freebie, by the way, so thank you so much guys, Ryan. We are actually collecting crotons sa the garden. So that's the first plant. Next plant kay, this is Dieffenbachia. Ganahan kay kuani guys, kay gahi kay hang dahon. It's not like the regular Dieffenbachia Elephant Ear Variegated that we see in the market. This is the first time that I saw this kind of plants. We have this plant that we sold in the garden, but it's the green type, no variegation at all. But here, take a look. Na siya variegation. Ba? So, guwapa kayo siya. Here's the variegation. Chamura, dyan kung nag-live, no? Naman siya variegation. Ako tabunan akong nagwayo para makakita mo. So, magpaliwat ko ani. Okay, so, this is our second plant. The next plant is... what is this? Oh my gosh. So this is our very trailing Ring of Fire. Dako na siya guys. I can see a lot of aerial roots na. So murang tag na propagation. I might just propagate this. Pero I will be giving some TLC ani nga tanom. So mugawas pa gyud iyang mga variegations. But this is our Ring of Fire. Our newest leaf here. Right. Paano? Oh! Yes. Wako kay bao sa idea ni. I don't know the proper idea of this plant yet, but they call this Heartleaf Fern. Heartleaf Fern, guys. Magwapa ka siya. Kaya again, as I have mentioned, I like plants that are plastic looking. Ganang guwapa siya. Marsh gahi siya. Ganang ko gahi. Ganang gahi. It has a clean, upright growth. Very firm, oh. Pwede pwede siya nimo ipanilhig. Pero dili na to siya ipanilhig, guys. Kay ko pa kayo siya, tanaw mo. I think I have 4 pots. Kay bundle man ni Sir Ryan. So I have 4 pots ani. No? Tanawa. Focus ta, oh. Gahi kini siya. As in, firm kayo siya. Let's check. Eng. Oh. Second pot. Ano siya? Second pot sa fern. Ano? Gwapo, di ko siya. Uy, bawl lang. Pag-flex ni Sir Ryan eh. Mind tayo ko eh. Kay ganahan ko magpaliwat. Wala pa ko kita ingani sa sinipa. Dara. Heartleaf Fern. Super guwapa, no? And then lush na pa siya. Lagi Heartleaf. Name, oh. Heartleaf Fern. Pero in terms with the proper ID, wala pa ko. Wala lang. Okay, so our third pot of Heartleaf Fern. Ganahan ko fern. Actually, I have a collection of ferns, pero not all ferns. Kato lang ganahan ko pena. Okay, what's this? Oh! Hello? Free ni bo. This is Prince Albert. Free ni. Thank you, Sir Roy. Salamat ko. Kahilak mo sa Tony, eh. Salamat ko, oh. Duha na ka ba ko pang free, eh. This is another free, guys. Kuan, kanang green emerald. Oh. Uy, tulong na ka ba ko pang free? Lubihan mo. Okay, I think this is the fern pod. Partly fern, kaya upat na siya ako. Bundle sale. Wow! Oh. So, this is our fourth pot of fern. So, this is our second to the last plant. I think this is the Raphidophora tetrasperma. Whoa! Trailing na kaayo siya. Oh? Na-damage one leaf, pero that's fine. That's fine, kay maukira na siya. Wow! Okay, so the highlight of today's unboxing is this plant! Excited ko! This is our Philodendron Billietiae. And yes, guys, that's how you say it. It's not Billietiae. So, I'm so excited because this is our first time owning a Billietiae. So, giputos yun ni Sir Rai ang karadahon. So, thank you. Thank you, Sir Rai. Aww. Billietiae. Super. Pila ka leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 leaves. And then the aerial roots are already aerial matured. Alright, that's it, guys. As I have mentioned, it's going to be a quick video. I just wanted to share with you the new plants in the garden. And again, we have Raphidophora tetrasperma. We have the variegated elephant ear. That's not the usual elephant ear that we see in the market today. And we also have Ring of Fire, and we have, of course, our Heartleaf Ferns and our freebies from Sir Ryan. And the star of the show again, this plant that I have here, Philodendron Billietiae. Just want to say thank you for joining me in today's unboxing. And I might be uploading some more videos soon, but those were just in the pipeline pa. Nga dugay na namang gi-shoot, pero lang dyan ko maka-edit. But I will start uploading them soon. But watch out for future videos with this new camera. I'm so hype about this camera. And this is Ding again, your Jardinero from Cebu. And have fun in the garden. Bye, guys! Thank you! Mag-propagate ni Tani, ha? So watch out for a propagation video.